Hello and welcome to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare Pro products, its services and its usage. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the important stretching exercises that you can do for sciatica related leg pain. Sciatica is one such common back related problem that leads to leg symptoms as well. Tingling, numbness and pain are some of the common signs of sciatic issues. And regular stretching exercises helps to get ease from this pain. So what are these exercises? Let's have a look. So the first exercise is an exercise to stretch your inner thigh muscles. For this, stretch out one leg and on the same side of the hand, place it over your knee and then spread it forward and then twist or else bend your side from the opposite end. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds and then come down. Remember, you should only bend here as much as you can and it should not be a painful stretch. It should feel comfortable, but at the same time you should be able to feel a small pull in the inner thigh and the side of your back region. You can repeat this for 3 to 4 repetitions. The next exercise is a gluteal muscle stretch. For this, bend both of your knee. Pull your knee towards your chest as much as you can. Then raise your knee up and down while maintaining your toes towards your body. You are going to repeat this process for 5 to 10 repetitions as per your convenience and then gradually increase the repetitions. The next exercise to this is a piriformis stretch exercise. For this, cross your one leg over the other and then twist or else turn your spine. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then come back. You're going to do this process 3 repetitions on each side or else on the affected side. You should feel a comfortable pull, but it should not be a painful thing. If it is hurting, then please stop the exercise. In the next exercise, we are going to do hamstring and calf stretch together. For this, you need a belt. Place the belt at the sole of your foot and then pull the belt with the hand towards yourself. While pulling, make your knee straight and raise the leg at around 45-degree angle. Hold this position for a few seconds and then come down. While doing this exercise, you should feel a pull on your calf region and your back thigh or else hamstring region. Repeat this process for 3 times. For the next exercise, you are going to stretch your inner thigh muscles. Hence, holding the belt as you were holding before, you are going to move your leg up and then turn the leg outwards. While you do this, you should feel a pull in your inner thigh region. You're going to hold this for a few seconds and then come back. Again, repeat this process for 3 to 4 repetitions and relax. After finishing your inner thigh stretch, now it's time to stretch your outer thigh muscle or is your IT band area. In order to do this stretch, again use the same belt, but this time you're going to stretch or else move your leg inward. Bring your leg inward, hold this for few seconds and then come back. Again, repeat this process for 3 to 4 repetitions and then relax. And the last exercise of this video is the front thigh stretch. For this, lie down on your tummy or else in the prone position. Bend your knee. Try to touch the heel to your butt with the help of your hand. Hold this position for a few seconds and then come back. You're going to repeat this process again for 3 to 4 repetitions and then you relax. So friends, these were some of the important stretching exercises for sciatica. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare Pro YouTube channel. And also make sure to visit to www.ultracarepro.in to know more about UltraCare Pro products and its services. On that note, I end this video here and see you in another video. Thank you.